All right. I hope everybody had a good weekend. I really want to talk to you about how to start making $10,000 a month in real estate like this. So, is it possible? Yes, 100% it's possible. Just take a moment and enjoy the idea that making 10,000 a month in real estate is extremely possible. One thing that I realized is you have to be ready mentally to make that kind of money. That's number one. Be mentally ready. Number two is you got to do the work that it takes for you to be able to make $10,000 a month consistently every single month. What kind of work does it take for most realtors to make $10,000 a month? Listen, I know there's these sweet realtors that just come into the business and crush it and make $10,000 a month every single month, easily, effortlessly, and it just looks phenomenal. I was the type of agent that I didn't make $10,000 a month for the first 5 to 7 years in my career. Okay, so how can we get you to make your 10,000 in the first month, in the second month, in the third month? Let me just tell you. Let me compile this for you. If you're waiting on the sidelines for some magic pill, probably won't happen. But if you're willing to roll up your sleeves or just cut those damn sleeves off, you don't even need them, and you're willing to make, okay, 50 contacts a day, you're willing to take your phone, right? I don't have my phone right now because I'm recording a video, but you're willing to take this damn phone and you're willing to call everybody in your phone book and you're willing to say, hey, who do you know that's looking to buy or sell real estate? If you're willing to do these uncomfortable things every single month, month in, month out, month in, month out, you will be making $10,000 a month. It's kind of crazy. I personally used to have like you write your goals. So I used to write my goals like I make 100,000 a year. That year, I really, really, really wanted to make 100K, right? Never happened. Never happened. But then we made like 500K in a year. Do you get what I'm saying? So you have to build up your mental belief and your strategy and your strength in order for you to be able to do this. But if you want to make your 10 grand right now, you got to be calling 50 people a day. You got to be calling everybody in your phone. You have to be a walking, talking billboard. If you do that, and if you truly, truly do that, meaning you put yourself in a very uncomfortable place, you will be making $10,000 a month in the next 30 days. But you have to go for it and you have to put yourself in a very uncomfortable place to do it. If you're willing to do that, if you're willing to do the work, if you're willing to obviously take the rejection that comes with you going out there and trying to get yourself to do $10,000 a month, hey, the money and the business is out there. I don't care what market we're in, okay? We've done it. I've done it in every month since the beginning of the year, every month last year. So if I could do it, you could do it. But I'm telling you what it's going to take for you to do it. Now, if you're not willing to do that, it's okay. It will just take you a little bit longer. We're talking about how to get it today, okay? Today. I'm trying to get 10 grand. Do you want 10 grand today? What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get on these phones. You're going to have to call everybody walking, talking billboard. Good luck.